What is up, everybody? It's your boy, AI Playground, back with another video. We're actually getting kinda close to 2025, and that has me thinking, what tech is going to be changing the game just a couple of years from now? I mean, think about how much things have changed even since 2020. We're talking next-level AI, transportation that seems straight out of a sci-fi movie, and even stuff that could change how our brains work. Yeah, you heard that right. So, if you're ready to dive into the future with me, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button for the algorithm, and let's unpack the top 5 future technologies that will change the world in 2025. Alright, first up, we gotta talk about AI. I mean, it's everywhere right now, but in 2025, forget about it. We're not just talking about asking Siri to set a timer anymore. Think AI assistants that are so smart they practically read your mind. Need to schedule a meeting but hate emails? Your AI assistant will handle it, no problem, but it gets even crazier. Imagine an AI that knows you so well, it can actually predict what you need before you even realize it. Feeling a little under the weather? Your AI assistant has already scanned your symptoms and scheduled a telehealth appointment. It's like having a personal assistant, best friend, and life coach all rolled into one digital package. And the best part? This isn't some far-off fantasy. Tools like ChatGPT are already giving us a glimpse of what's possible. By 2025, these AI assistants will be so seamlessly integrated into our lives, we'll wonder how we ever lived without them. Next up, let's talk transportation. We've all heard about self-driving cars, but 2025? That's when things get really interesting. Forget about basic lane assist, we're talking full-on autonomous vehicles navigating rush hour traffic without breaking a sweat. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, they're already pushing the limits of what's possible. And get this, it's not just cars. Picture this. You order some takeout, and instead of a delivery driver, a drone airdrops your food right to your doorstep. No more waiting around, no more delivery fees. Drones are about to revolutionize logistics, making same-day delivery the new normal for pretty much everything. So, yeah, buckle up because 2025 is about to be a wild ride. Just imagine kicking back, relaxing, and letting your car do all the work. It's like having your own personal chauffeur, but without the awkward small talk. Chapter 3, AR and VR, Leveling Up Education and Entertainment. Now for all you gamers and tech enthusiasts out there, this next one's for you. Augmented reality and virtual reality, or AR and VR, are about to blow up in 2025. And I'm not just talking about fancy headsets, we're talking about experiences so immersive, they blur the lines between the real world and the digital one. Imagine instead of just reading about history, you can actually put on a VR headset and experience it firsthand. Walk with dinosaurs, witness historical events, even travel to different planets without ever leaving your living room. Talk about taking education to a whole new level. And for the gamers out there, get ready for games that are so real, you'll forget you're wearing a headset. We're talking stunning visuals, realistic physics, and gameplay that's so immersive, you'll feel like you're actually inside the game. AR and VR are about to change the game, literally. Chapter 4. Breakthroughs in renewable energy, powering a brighter future. Okay, let's get serious for a second. We all know climate change is a real threat, but 2025 could be a turning point in the fight for a greener planet. We're talking about major breakthroughs in renewable energy, stuff that could change the world as we know it. Remember fusion power, that futuristic energy source that sounded too good to be true? Well, it's getting closer to reality every day. And it's not just fusion. Solar panels and wind turbines are becoming more efficient and more affordable, making clean energy accessible to more people than ever before. Imagine a world powered by 100% renewable energy. No more fossil fuels, no more pollution, just clean, sustainable power for everyone. It sounds like a dream, but in 2025 it could be our reality. Chapter 5. Brain-computer interfaces, mind control is no longer sci-fi. Alright, we've saved the craziest for last. We're talking about brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. Yeah, you heard that right, tech that can actually read your mind. It sounds insane, but companies like Neuralink are already making it happen. Now before you freak out, the initial applications of this technology are focused on helping people. Imagine being able to control a prosthetic limb with just your thoughts, or giving people with paralysis the ability to communicate again. That's the kind of life-changing potential we're talking about, but it doesn't stop there. Imagine a world where you can download information directly into your brain or control your smart home with just your thoughts. We're talking about a whole new level of human potential, and 2025 could be the year it all begins. And there you have it, the top 5 future technologies that will blow your mind in 2025. From AI BFFs to mind-bending brain tech, the future is looking pretty wild. So, which of these technologies are you most hyped about? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're at it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more awesome content from AI Playground.